You just found the 2021 Genesis G70. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Aspire to be your very best. Make your entrance in this sleek and powerful Genesis G70. Its wide, low stance, exquisite driver-centered cockpit, and high-end design and materials speak of its desire to meet any challenge in premium style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, fog lamps, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input, power windows, power door locks. Seize the moment and get into this remarkable Genesis G70, the compact sports sedan that sets a new standard of excellence. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.